Hello friends, so welcome to my another tutorial on just automation framework. So today we are going to talk about Cypress. So what is Cypress and how it is different from Selenium? So Cypress actually is a JavaScript based end-to-end testing framework that does not use Selenium, and it's built on top of Mocha. So Mocha I have already covered in my previous tutorial, which is again a feature rich JavaScript test framework running on and in the browser, making asynchronous testing simple and running. And Cypress also uses a BDD and a TDD test session library and a browser that can be paired with any JavaScript testing framework. So if you have the node and npm available, you can just install it using npm install cypress hyphen hyphen save hyphen dev. So that's pretty much about an overview of Cypress. So moving on to the next one. So this is how the sample Cypress code. So actually it makes you, since it is a JavaScript framework, it actually have the describe and it format. So all the JavaScripts for most of them follows the same format. So we have the describe and it format. So actually it will contains the test, and the describe will make sure that it has a structure, and it helps in the grouping the test cases also. So it has all the similar functionalities like click, then type, and all those things. So this is pretty much a simple C++ test case. And moving on to the advantages. So actually the first one is Cypress does not use Selenium. So what is that is one of the unique characteristics of Cypress. And actually, as I have already mentioned, Cypress supports any kind of a web framework or website quite well. So actually, that's one of the advantage of Cypress. And so one of the things is this, Cypresses are only written in JavaScript. So that while you can compile down to JavaScript in any other language, ultimately the test code is executed inside the browser itself. And the Cypress runs much faster in compare with the end-to-end tools by Selenium. And by default, there is screenshot for every step of your script, so which can be helpful. And the Cypress has a clear syntax. And coming to the disadvantages, the structure was different to the other Selenium end-to-end tools. So actually, you have to spend a little bit more time to understand the structure and all those things. And the community, that means the Cypress is relatively no. So actually, we will have trouble finding the answers to the issues that we face. And some of the features that it does not support is no file upload support and no cross-browser testing. And the page object model, it is something that has been already proved by time. Cypress support a different approach, which might be controversial to some people. And the last thing is like it only supports the JavaScript. So they are trying to implement new features which will be helpful in not only in JavaScript but also in other languages also. So those are pretty much the disadvantages of Cypress. So I guess you had got some knowledge on Cypress. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.